What's going on, guys? So this is the intro to the channel. You know, I'm just here to work on cars, have fun, do new things, work on different projects, and you guys are just along for the ride. Not really a tutorial kind of channel because I don't really do things the right way. I just do things the way that it works. And sometimes it works good, sometimes it bites me in the butt, but we always end up having fun, always end up getting them revs. So let me show you what I'm working with right now, and let's do it. All right, first up is my 85 Mustang. This is Appaloosa. It's a 4-cylinder car swapped over to a V8, 92, 302 with like an E303 or B303 cam, and 289 cylinder heads. The owner told me they were hypo heads, but after looking at them, they're not, but whatever, who cares. We got the 5-lug conversion with Cobra brakes from North Star or North Race Cars. It's got a little bit of a aero package from Carter's Customs in Raleigh, North Carolina. And yeah, this thing's solid. I can do a more in-depth video on it some other time. Right now I'm just going through it all. This is the Raptor. I got this about a year ago, and this is just the daily workhorse, man. Tows the car to events, tows all the cars to shops. Got method wheels, ADD front bumper, rigid light bar. I just got that ARE cap from Facebook. So that's that one. This is the real daily. It's a 06 Lincoln Zephyr. We're not going to be doing anything with that. That is staying stock. And this beast, I can't even get it all on the camera. This is a 69 Mercury Colony Park station wagon with them 22s. Not a huge fan of the wheels. They're on there when I got it. So I got this to just fix some oil leaks that I had. Basically, I was just going to flip it. So fix valve cover gaskets, fix the rear main seal. No one wants to buy it though. So I think I'm gonna take the Ford 4029 out of it, and then we'll LS swap it later. And then this is going to be a bigger project. Actually, that's not bigger than LS swapping that wagon. But this is 85 Corvette. Bought it like this for $1,000. No target top. So that's why I was able to get it for kind of cheap. It's not in terrible shape other than I'm using it as storage right now. I've got some fiberglass damage here. Fiberglass, that's a hole right through there, crack in here. So you guys can probably guess this is going to turn into a vet cart. So we'll have to part this thing out. I'll make videos on that, and then we're going to try and go as fast as we can for as cheap as we can. So guys, make sure to stay tuned for some really cool projects. We're going to have a lot of fun over here, and you know, we're not going to do anything fancy, man. We're just regular shade tree guys, you know? We hack things up and we make it work. So hope to see you guys along for the ride.